This is what you need to make lasagna. Some flutes, Mornay sauce, 2 freezing bags with vegetables, pepper, oregano, thyme, tomato paste, chili, 3 onions, some salt, some tomatoes, and mozzarella. The things you need is a pot, a knife, a cutting board, and 2 dishes. You're going to need your knife, your cutting board, and your onions. And now cut your onions. Now you need to cut your chili. I'm not going to cut it all. Now you're gonna put some oil in your pot, just to fill it up. Then you're gonna put your thyme in your pot. And oregano. Then you're gonna need something to mix it. Now you're gonna put your chili and your cut onions in your pot. And mix it all. When you have done that, you need to take your freezing Now you need to take your corn inside of the pot and mix it all. Now you have to take your tomato paste in and your cut tomatoes. Then when it looks like this, then you need to take your dish and put this in. Now you need to fill your tomato mix inside of your dish. Now you have to take your mix in your dish and take some of these on. If they don't fit, you can just break some of it and then it will fit. So you have to smear it around your tomato mix, and when you have done that, you are going to take some of your Mornay sauce like this, and then 2 or 3, depends on how many you are going to need, of these you lay down like this. If they don't fit, you can break some of it off. The top layer, we do the same with Mornay sauce. And we take some mozzarella cheese on. Now you're gonna set your oven to 200 Celsius. Now you can put your dish in your oven. And then when then you can have it in the oven for 35 minutes. But time it that you can get those your baguettes in on time.